Hello, Bookshark Bootcamp. It's your community manager, Jana, and today is session 2 Q&A. Now, I didn't see anyone posting any questions about the session 2. We talked about setting up your file binder, creating your working binder, your student binder, gave you a few pro tips, and gave you a heads up for what's going to be coming on Wednesday. So I thought I would just come on and just check in, see how you guys are doing. I know when those boxes show up, there can be a lot of overwhelm as you're looking at all of the content and wondering how in the world you're going to get through it once you start your school year. And is it really going to take 36 weeks? So I just wanted to see how everyone was doing. If you are waiting for your boxes, the anticipation is growing. I'm excited for you. I want to remind you to make sure you take pictures of your unboxing. Even if you guys don't post them here on the group, I want to encourage you to still take those pictures so that you have them. With technology today, it is really easy to create a slideshow. You can have your own end of the year slideshow for you and your family. Maybe it's something that you can share with extended family, grandma and grandpa's, family that doesn't live close by. It's so fun to be able to look back over the year and see all that not only your children have accomplished, but how much they have grown. So definitely take pictures, and if you choose not to share them, that's okay. I just want to make sure you don't miss those opportunities. Also, a pro tip, make sure that as we're gearing up and getting ready to talk about the new year, you don't forget to take school year pictures. I love when I get to see the growth from the beginning of the year to the end of the school year in my kids. A lot of times we don't see it in the day to day, and it takes us doing that compare and contrast when we haven't seen the difference, because it's so subtle. But as the months and the weeks go on, it really does amaze me each year how much my children grow. So want to make sure you're not only taking pictures of what you're doing, but also your kids and how they're growing. So if you do nothing else, please make sure you take a first day or first beginning of the year picture so that you can compare it to the end of the school year. It's always so much fun to be able to have that. If you're looking for things to do before you get started, you're not ready to start your school year, you're still kind of winding down from the end of your last year, you're taking a summer break, but you want to do some educational things, I want to remind you that Bookshark does have free unit studies available. If you go to bookshark.com, go to the About tab or just search freebies. We have Sharks, which Shark Week just wrapped up on Discovery, so that's always really fun to be able to do that one. And of course, you can always watch YouTube videos and replays of all of those fun shows. We also have Weather. We have Volcano. The Volcano study actually comes with a link to our YouTube channel that has some videos that go along with that study, so that is a fun one. We also have a unit study for Jane Goodall, and I believe we have the Constitution. I talked about that in week 1. That pairs great with our elections lap book if you're looking for something to do to get your children civically minded for the upcoming election. And then we do have one about Walt Disney. So if you are a Disney lover, that is a really fun one to do. It just talks about his life. So we have 2-week studies available on our website that you guys can be getting kind of gearing up, getting ready, still doing some fun educational things, and just enjoying your time together as you're building anticipation to get your year started. So just wanted to pop on, encourage you, get you excited, check in, see how everyone's feeling. Please feel free to continue to post questions for session 2 or any session that you post. I'm going to leave those open for the next couple months. If you guys have a question that you really need answered, make sure you tag me so that I see it. I'm Jana. I'm your community manager. You can always send me a private message. There's also a way to reach me through Bookshark, either the main email or imjkoch@bookshark.com. So I really want to make sure that you guys feel supported from the very beginning with Bookshark. I'm really excited that you're here, and I will see you guys on Wednesday when we talk about how to organize books. So have a great Monday, and I'll see you then. Bye-bye.